Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, which means it's time to get back to work. All right. Well, we're going to show a modern folder today, thanks to the open tag put out by 865 Knives. If you don't watch Aaron, go over there and give his channel a subscribe and check out some of his videos. He's down there in Tennessee, or as I like to think about it, in southern Kentucky. So yeah, go check him out. Today we're going to look at a Spyderco. It would be this guy. This is the Manix 2. And she is a hefty girl, I'll tell you. It's got the nice micarta handles on it. Got a place for a lanyard. Haven't quite got one on there yet, but take a look. A little tour here. Nice jimping up on the blade there. Seems like a really sturdy construction on this one. Made in the good old USA, Golden, Colorado, in case you were wondering. See it nice and clear right there. Got your Spyderco logo there, and the Spidey hole. And this is in the CPM crew wear steel. And let me tell you, it is sharp. It is sharp, sharp. So yeah, super nice knife. Love this blade. But to me, there's just not much not to like. You know, for some people, it might be a bit large for them for EDC. But then there's other people like Terry and Cornbread and some others I can think of that are probably going to really like this knife. Let me give you a little comparison to, see if I can get these kind of side by side here. Cameras. Can't live without them, but they're kind of annoying at the same time. So just to give you a little bit, that's a Para Military 3. And so you can kind of see some of the differences here. I mean, this one is a much, much larger knife. We'll do some measurements real quick. All right, if we take a look at this, right at 8 inches overall, compared to this guy, which is closer to 7 and, oh, let's see, it's closer to 7, yeah, maybe a smidgen more than 7. Yeah, let's see, it's a little dark in here this morning. That is 7 3/8 maybe, something like that. So yeah, it's a good sized knife, but to me, it's not too big for EDC. And could certainly handle any of my regular cutting tasks, that's for sure. I really like this handle material for sure. So yeah, and you know, if you just want to get a kind of a comparison here, I'll do this one in the middle. So yeah, you know, quite a big bit of difference there, as you can tell. I told, the knife doctor, Kevin, he probably needed one of those. So they do have those available. That one came from Knife Center. So go check them out if you haven't. And other than that, guys, that's about it from here. It's time for me to start work. And so I've got to get signed into everything here and get my day started. I hope you're having a good Monday wherever you are. And appreciate you watching so much today, guys. God bless each one of you, and have a great week. We'll see you in the next video.